你知道为什么那些帅哥常常都很忙？不知道为什么？晚点再告诉你吧。我现在很忙。
Today, let's look at the adjective 帅 handsome, hot, and 忙 busy. When you see a handsome guy, a cute guy, a hot guy, or just any guy, you can call them 帅哥. It's never wrong. And it's a nice way to call, hey mister. So when you're out there shopping in China, you'll get that a lot. The grocery lady calls you 帅哥, the driver calls you 帅哥. Anyone is a 帅哥. Instead, if you are a girl, people call you 美女. That literally means beautiful women. If you're walking in the street and you randomly call out 帅哥, probably most of the guys will turn around and say what? The same goes to 美女. When you call out, hey 美女 in the street, most of the girls will turn around and look at you. So busy, 忙. When you look at 忙, the left part represents your heart. And the right part is the character of being dead. If you keep yourself busy your whole life, your heart is dead. Let's practice a little bit. How do you say, I don't know why I am so handsome? That's right. 我不知道为什么我很帅. Thank you.